how to get bullet points on Google Slides. If you want to get bullet points on Google Slides, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to open up your browser. And here you can see a certain text where maybe I want to add a bullet point. So first what we do is first step is select the text. Now if you only select first one like this, you can see this cursor. It will only select for the first one, or you can either drag and drop whole, or you can select the box instead of the individual text, right? So once you've done that, at the top right, you'll enable these icons. One is a bulleted list, the other is the numbered bullet list. So the dotted bullet list will look like this, and the other one, you can see the numbered bullet list, it will give you in the form of number. So depending upon which one you want, you can enable or disable bullet list in this easy way. But there's also a shortcut to trigger this, and that is by using the Control Shift and then number 8 key. So Control Shift and 8 will help you trigger this. And if you're using Mac, you want to substitute Control for Command key, then use Command Shift and 8 instead to be able to basically use and enable or trigger the bullet points. So I hope that this video helped you with both the shortcut and these little points at the top. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.